Google and the web. Learn about the history of Google and learn how websites work. Google is an American technology company. Some people say it is the most powerful company in the world. The history of Google starts at Stanford University. This university is famous for its computer science department. It is located in Silicon Valley in California. In 1996, two PhD students at Stanford University started Google as a research project. These two students were Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google is a popular search engine. You can find almost any information on the internet with a keyword search on Google. Google wasn't the first search engine, but it is better than previous search engines. Yahoo was an early search engine that allowed you to search for information from a database. Libraries have databases to help you find books, articles, or information. A card catalog is a database used by a library. A card catalog is an alphabetical listing of items, such as books in a library, with a card for each item. Libraries had cabinets filled with cards. Each card describes and locates materials in the library. A typical card lists an item by author, title, and subject. Like a library catalog, the Yahoo search engine organized websites by topic. If you didn't know the search topic, it was hard to find information. This would make your search very slow. Using keywords is a common way to search for information now. AltaVista was an early search engine that used keywords similar to Google. Google is different from other search engines. That's because Sergey Brin's idea to rank websites. To do that, he created a technology called PageRank. Rank means to put something in order by importance. Some visitors to a website are not people. Google uses software called spiders that crawl through the internet to find new websites. They read through text, index websites, and rank them for users. If a website has a high rank, more people will see it. This is good for business. Business example. Imagine you own an ice cream shop. You want customers to buy your ice cream. You create a website so people can find your business. Maybe they will buy your ice cream too. Web developers design websites that people enjoy. They also try to get Google to give their website a high rank. To create websites, web developers write code that computers can understand. Google, a large number written with a 10 with 100 zeros after it. Page and Brin decided to name their search engine Google. This name is a misspelling of the word Google. They liked this name because they wanted their search engine to give a lot of information. Cheap hardware is a reason for Google's success. When they were students, Page and Brin created this server rack from old parts. They could store a lot of information cheaply on this server rack. Did you know that Google is one of the world's leading hardware companies? Most of the hardware they make, they use themselves. This way, they can keep costs low. Now Google has thousands of servers in its server farms. Workers help maintain the servers. Today, Google is the world's most popular search engine. It handles more than 3.5 billion searches a day and has 92% of the world's search engine market. Google is worth $1,564.52 billion in 2023. How does Google make money? According to Google, Google's main source of revenue is advertising, mostly from ads on our own sites and apps. By serving ads, we can keep Google services free for everyone.